In this video, let me show you how to open a DIB Islamic Banking online UAE. Now, if you're trying to create the online banking account of DIB Islamic, you need to first of all download the application of DIB Mobile onto your device first of all, and then right here within the home screen or within the application, you'll see two options, the login and the register page. So simply head over to register, and depending upon your case and depending upon what information that you have, you could either choose the MPIN option, either enter in your card number and then enter in your card PIN and then simply click on verify details. Secondly, you can also get started with DIB Mobile depending upon your case, as I said, and then simply tap on verify details. In the next step, you just need to provide your valid Emirates ID that you also have added in while creating an account. And once everything is done, the last thing that you need to do is just create your credentials. So once you have created your credentials, which is the username and the password, you can head over to the login page right here, add in your credentials and then simply tap on login. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next one.